Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have admin access. Start now by backing up settings and capturing the current page state because changes can be permanent. Once done, open the page where the Watch button appears and launch Developer Tools, F12. You will inspect the button element, its ID, class, and parent containers. Note any scripts that generate it. Make sure to copy selectors and any event listeners, since you will remove the button cleanly rather than break related features. Now you'll remove the element and its behavior in console run document. Query selector your selector. Remove to drop the node. Next, find and disable attached event listeners, override handler functions, or use remove event listener with the original reference because leaving listeners can cause errors. Then update your style sheet to add display none. Important for that selector so it stays hidden across reloads and breakpoints. After that, finally, make the removal permanent by changing the template or server-side render logic that outputs the Watch button. Client-side hacks alone will be undone. Commit the template change or disable the plugin that injects the element, then purge caches and CDN layers so the update propagates. Once deployed, verify in multiple accounts and devices. If the button reappears, inspect background scripts that recreate it, disable or conditionally change the generator, and test again. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most recurrence issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.